Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This is a badass machine behind me, guys. This is a 2014 Ford F-250 LARIAT 6.7 liter turbo diesel pavement pushing power beast of a truck. You're gonna hear sounds like this. In conjunction with things like this, and this, that make that sound. Why is it the best sounding truck, I think, in my opinion? Because it just is. It's just a PowerStroke has that unique sound. Like when it's coming down the road, sounds like a semi-truck. Actually sounds better than a damn semi-truck. What are you talking about? It sounds better than a semi-truck coming down the road. There's a certain RPM. I want to see if you guys have PowerStrokes out there, whoever does, with the full exhaust tuned and all that jazz. When you get up to a certain RPM, then just let off the gas. Like, wah, boo! I'll do a video at the end of the video. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll describe what I'm talking about. It just sounds the most unique, best diesel sound out there. Most best unique sounding diesel truck out there, in my opinion. Now, granted, with other modification ones, a Duramax sounds like a screaming cat. Some kind of like screaming cat. A Cummins sounds like it's ready to pull a house out of the ground. But a PowerStroke is just all around a beast of a truck. Hope you guys like this video. Let's go a quick walk around on it real quick. Thanks to my handy cameraman, because my full-time guy is on vacation right now, soaking up some sun rays. Sorry, I can't talk. So, full-fledged leveling kit right here, on some beautiful, these are 30, I want to say these are 35s. Let me see, hold on. Yep, 35, 1250, 20-inch tires. Nice rugged terrain tire right here. You got plenty of tread. These are almost brand new. The frame, this is from Texas, guys. The truck's from Texas. No rust at all. Full 4-inch exhaust. You get your roll-up bed cover right here. Foldable tailgate thing that can come down and all the good jazz right in there. Just an all-around really nice truck. 6.7 PowerStroke. Your front tires looks decent, not too bad. Probably about 30% tread maybe left. Wheels are in great shape, gloss black. Front, these have Rancho. It's got Ranchero dual steering stabilizer shocks on it. And if you look at the front of the truck, it's got the PowerStroke diesel, turbo diesel. Let me get down here, see if we can film it. There's the Rancho shocks. Can't really see it too well. It's hard to get down, but this is black lettering inside the Super Duty. I think that was a cool touch. Nice silver metallic paint, gray metallic paint, gray metallic. Carpets are immaculate. Beautiful, beautiful. No stains, no rips, nothing. The center console's immaculate. It's got the big screen right there. You lift up this sucker, my favorite part. It's got all your RCA jacks and memory cards there with a free dime or a quarter if you want that. If not, it's mine. You got your sliding glass rear window and your tilt slide, all that jazz. Full sunroof right here. Locking center console box. That's what this video is today sponsored by. Stay tuned. Actually, I'm probably gonna edit at the beginning of the video, so that's probably much. Power seats, as you can see, putting it up. Cup holders for your boys back there. All my supplies in here. You can flip these up, and this comes to a huge galleyway area right there, open area. Factory Ford window sticker and manuals and everything. Even the factory, please secure all your belongings before takeoff tag. Power windows and locks, as I was saying. Just a really nice truck. FX4 package, backup camera. There's your rear class 3 or 4, whatever the hell you want to call it, hitch receiver right there. If you can focus camera, focus. V5, 2.5 inch. It's not focusing today, whatever. FX4 package. Oh yeah, anywho, on with the show. Just a real nice truck. It really is. Leather seats are in immaculate shape. Here's the driver's seat. Miles, 151,729 maintained miles. You got dual climate. You got cooled seats, heated seats. There's your 5-position switch right there. Your automatic dim. We're going to pump the hood in a second. Stay tuned. Hold on tight. Don't go anywhere. I'll try to do this as fast as I can. All your accessories. And there's your bass knob. If you want to turn up the bass when you put a system in here. Cool little spot for it. Whoever owned this truck before, hats off to you. Cheers to you. Heated seats. Cooled seats. Heated seat. Come on. Oh, you probably got to start it up. Let's hear it. You ready to hear it? Built Ford tough. Shout out to my boy. Love you, buddy. Heated seats, cooled seats, red and blue. Call the police. Come on, camera, focus today. Damn. Isn't that awesome? That's so cool. 4-wheel drive. Listen, ready? She rolls cool because she's tuned. You can still hear the turbo spooling. Still hear that turbo just. It's a kick-ass truck. Let's check out the power plant. Ready? Up the hood, check the power plant out. There's the VIN number right there. There's the underside of this side. Clean truck. You can still see the stickers on the frame, I believe. Anywhere under here. Yep, look at that. Stickers on the frame. Just a nice, clean truck. I'm not gonna say it's perfect. I mean, it's a used truck. 150, it's got scratches in some places, but S&B cold air intake, S&B filter system right there. So just real nice, you know. 6.7 power plant with all the goodies. But here she is in her glory. Let us know if you guys have any questions. 540-898-3025, or you can visit superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. This is the 14 F-250 6.7 turbo diesel Lariat FX4 package. Gorgeous gray truck. The interior, by the way, the interior smells really clean. It's like a, I don't know, it's just a nice, clean smelling truck. But there you have it. Black everything. Black headliner, side pillars, seats, and carpet. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Oh, that's what it smells like. It smells like Nautica Voyage. If you guys haven't smelled that, go get it. It smells amazing. Carpets are clean. All right, see you guys later. Hope you're doing well. See ya. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about, describing it as far as accelerating. Listen to this sucker. Ready? All right, the damn seatbelt sign. Ready? Kind of hear it, not really, but hoping to do. Ready? Let's see if I can get past the street sign. Ready? It's hard to hear inside the cab, but man, you can hear it. If you're inside the bed of the truck, holy moly, this just sounds like a freight train going down the road. Guys, today's video is sponsored by AutoCast. Auto Airbox P3 Pro is one of the most coolest devices actually that have came out so far, and turning your old car or modern car that's encrypted, that you can't watch any YouTube videos on here, into something absolutely cool. You can stream any YouTube device that you can watch on your phone: Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube videos of any sort, shape, or form. Even view the weather, traffic, all that jazz. All with this right here. I tried doing it. I don't know why it's not working. I did it on my other car. I plugged it in here, but for some reason it's not working on this particular truck. But don't worry, it works awesome. A full link in the description is going to be down below. I'll tell you guys a little bit about it, and I want to give them a big shout out because, dude, let me tell you, this is, if I can get the dang thing off, it's like receiving an Apple device, because when you get it, it's like really tightly packed. And when you get off here, it's like the Apple thing. When you take your new phone out, there it is right there. Comes with the device itself. SIM card, all the button ups right there to plug it in and get it booted up. This is one section of how it works. You flip that, and that goes to another way of it working. I tried both. For some reason, this truck didn't work. Down below over here, you got all your connections of every sort, shape, and kind. All the USBs and fast drives and C connectors and Z connectors and everything. Comes with instructions below, how to get set up. But dude, let me tell you, awesome product. Hats off to them. Super cool. Thank them for sponsoring today's video. And the link is in the description. And go order one and give them a shout out for Mark. I'm going to probably put a promo code in there if they allow me to do that. I'm pretty sure I have one. But enjoy it. And you're very welcome for the big shout out to you guys sponsored on this video. And I hope you guys get one. I hope you enjoy it because I'm enjoying mine. I love it. It's so cool. Check them out. Auto Airbox P3 Pro. See ya.